Hi everyone, hope you all are fine and doing well. Welcome to my channel Bioinfo Bench. So today in this video tutorial, I'm going to tell you how can you install Weka software on Windows 10. You know Weka has a graphical user interface which make it user friendly, but you have prior knowledge of data mining algorithm. It's a must. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. So on your favorite browser, you have to write Weka software download for Windows 10. Now you have to search it. Once it is searched, you can see that there is a website www.cs.wekatu.ac.nz. You have to open this website. Okay. So once you open the website, now you have to click on download. Once you click on download, this web page will open. You can see there are a lot of stable versions are available. Right now I'm downloading it for Windows 10, so I have to click on this one. Okay, so you can see that there is a click here button, so I'm just going to click here. Once I click here, Weka starts downloading. Okay, so you can see that here it is written your download will start shortly. So obviously installation takes some time. So just click on this. It will ask you for permission, obviously, as like any other software. Okay, so I have to do yes because I want to give that permission. Okay, so now you can see here you have to click next. I agree, next. Okay, here you have to tell the destination folder. I am going with the default location, so I'm clicking next, and now I'm just going to click on install. Once I click on install, all the files are extracting, and I think it seems like it doesn't take so much time like other softwares. So yeah, it's extracting all the files. So please, what I see that people always like do clicking here and there. No, just wait a little bit, let it be installed completely. So yes, as you can see, the installation is completed and setup is completed successfully. Now I have to click next and finish. Once I click on finish, now I can see that Weka is downloaded. Yes, and now I'm going to open it. So Weka Environment for Knowledge Analysis Weka is installed on Windows 10. So here you can see that Weka is installed on our system. So please install Weka software if you want to learn data mining. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, so just gives it a thumbs up. Thank you. Stay tuned.